In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact manually to a list in Getresponse. This is really useful when you just need to add one person at a time, maybe someone who gave you their email in person, over the phone, or through a direct message, and you want to make sure they're properly added to your email marketing list. First, start on your Getresponse dashboard. This is the main screen you see right after you log in. Look towards the top right-hand corner of the page, and you'll see a button labeled New with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This button is basically your shortcut to creating or adding new things inside your account. When that menu opens, you'll see a few different options. From those options, select Add Contacts. This tells Getresponse that you're not creating a new newsletter or campaign, but instead you're simply adding people to one of your existing lists. Next, you'll be asked how you want to add these contacts. Since we're focusing on adding just a single person manually, choose the option called One by One. Getresponse also lets you upload files or add multiple contacts at once, but for this tutorial, we're keeping it simple with one individual contact at a time. Once you choose One by One, you'll need to select the target list. This is very important. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the specific email list where you want this new contact to be stored. If you manage multiple lists, double-check you're picking the right one so the person receives the correct campaigns and follow-up emails. After selecting the list, it's time to fill in the contact's details. You'll see fields for the person's name and their email address. Type in their information carefully, especially the email address, because any typo here will mean they won't receive your messages. The name field can help personalize your emails later, so it's a good idea to include it whenever you have it. Below that, you'll see a checkbox about permission. Make sure you tick this box to confirm that you have the contact's consent to add them to your list. This is not just a formality. It's important for complying with email marketing regulations and maintaining a healthy sender reputation. Once everything looks good, and you've verified the details and checked the permission box, you're ready to finish. Click the Add Contact button. Getresponse will save the new contact to the list you selected, and that person is now ready to receive your campaigns and autoresponders.